The Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard, moves with ancient, powerful intent through the muddy rice fields. This is an unexpected hunting ground, far from its native islands, yet it's rich with prey.
Sliding through a narrow irrigation ditch, the dragon spots a potential meal. A large, unsuspecting frog. With a sudden, explosive burst of speed, the dragon charges. The hunt is over in a flash, as its
Here in the scrap night
The lizard's impressive hunting prowess makes it a deadly opportunist in any environment.
Later, wading birds like the white egrets patrol the mud for their own meal of small crabs. They are momentarily...
Komodo dragon explodes into the flood, snatching one of the birds from the air.
But the rice paddy holds another mighty predator, a crocodile.
When these two ancient reptiles meet,
The Komodo dragon uses its speed and venomous bite, while the crocodile counters with its immense crushing power and armored hide.
In a relentless display of raw power, they lock onto each other, a life and death struggle for supremacy in the wet, green landscape.
this is the Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard, a true apex predator.
It moves with slow, deliberate power, its head turning, sensing the environment with its forked tongue.
Suddenly, a flash of action. The dragon lunges with surprising speed, splashing violently as it targets fish in the murky.
The Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard, asserts its dominance. With jaws capable of... The scene shifts. A different fight. A large reticulate python, one of its potential rivals.
The Komodo, sensing weakness, delivers a crushing blow, asserting its dominance in this ancient struggle.
In the vast northern wilderness, an apex predator emerges, the mighty brown bear. Powerful, massive, and unmatched in its domain.
But this is a different world. Across the swampy terrain, the true dragon of the East.
Two giants of two different continents are about to collide, an impossible face-off in the wilderness.
The bear charges, a fury of muscle and claw. The dragon counters, serpentine coil of... In a stalemate of sheer will, the battle concludes. The bear continues its journey.
In the heart of the jungle, a shadow moves. It is the Komodo dragon, an ancient predator that rules this hidden world.
The Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard, navigates the dense jungle floor.
A young deer sprints through the muddy stream, its powerful legs kicking up water as it flees unseen predators near the ancient ruins.
The dragon's powerful legs drive it forward, a burst of raw, relentless speed. There is nowhere left to run.
The Komodo, an ape's predator.
In a splash of mud and water, the ancient reptile secures its prey. Its venomous bite is final.
In this jungle, the dragon always collects its due.
The Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard, navigates this serene yet ancient landscape.
Brutal confrontation unfolds deep within the jungle, as the great lizard is swarmed by an aggressive troop.